This video is uploaded by first video by me, okay? By me. Okay, I should move 20 seconds, but this is my first video. Just respect. I should talk about my life. I should do my life. Just wait a second. First, little thing I never do in my house. Is it my house? But this is not my own house. I'm just a kid, right? And if you like, go into my channel and see my friend's channel called Girly Up. And it was so funny video. His first video. It was so funny. Just trust me. Funny video. But try the Diamond Michael. Awesome videos, everything. If you know that video, go in there and subscribe my channel and have a nice one. My first episode just right here. Okay? Here. I don't know how my classmates do that, so I will be working that out in just time. Okay? This is not the end. I should have crazy, but don't tell this to others. Okay, that is the end of the video.